Hey friends, this is Atif Obeerwell and welcome to the update on Wormhole. On the 7 days time frame chart, the price on a Wormhole is moving inside a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of April 2024. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, a few more rejections here, then we had a bounce, another bounce, and now recently the pricing is once again moved at the resistance of this wedge. By the way, this time when it was testing the support of the wedge at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it was forming higher low than previous. So at the same time, you can see that the price line was forming a lower than previous. So that was a very big bullish divergence signal, and the price line has followed this signal, and now it has started this reversal. If I place this as a measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to this high, so far it has pumped almost more than 103%. And right now, it's trying to break out this red line, the exponential moving average 21. You can see that for the past several months, it is breaking out the resistance. Along with that, we will need to break out this very long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared a few days ago on 13th of July 2025 with my members, and so far this signal has produced more than 41% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared on 13th of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher move that Wormhole completed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up. First, it again re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very massive price reversal. And so far, it has rallied more than 41%. Before that, I shared another harmonic reversal move. And by the way, this move I also shared a few days ago on 6th of July, 2025. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move. And this move was formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up. First, it dropped down once again. We entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice pump. And so far, it has pumped more than 33%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Wormhole. And this is a 7 days time frame chart. You can see that since after the month of April, since the 1st April 2024, it is moving inside this batch. You can see that we found this down trend line resistance here. We got rejection. And here, by the way, we had a key support at that time. You can see that for several weeks, it had been bringing a support. First, it was bounced here, but found a resistance here at 78 cents. Then we broke it down. And after that, it is flipped into a key resistance. We can see that we got rejection here, almost two more rejections here. And then we had another support zone from 19.2 cents and goes to 16.22 cents. For several months, it had been breaking a support zone, but now we have broken it down. Therefore, now again, this previous support can work as a strong resistance for the price line. This time, by the way, there was a bullish divergence flash when the price line was dropped down as the support of this falling wedge pattern. It was forming lower than previous low. But if you take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it was forming higher low. So that was a very big bullish divergence signal in the price and has followed this signal, and now it has reached resistance. For example, if it will have another rejection, then we can expect another big drop up to the support of this wedge somewhere here, approximately at 4.4 cents. But in case of breaking out, you can see that now the movement is quite squeezed, and this is a bullish bias move. Therefore, at any time it can break it out. And in case of breaking out, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1.80 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.